Okay, now we are going to start about My Robot, the poem of the standard 4. So take page number 85, children. Here they are given about the robot song. We have already learned the robot lesson. Now we are going to say about the robot song. I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. So this what they have to say means the wheels on the bus go round and round and the rhyming the padanga. I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. So in the Mare you might have heard this wheels on the bus go. So you can sing a poem like this. Okay, I have a robot, big and strong. So first paragraph, I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong. 3 times you have to write big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Such a long line. Okay. Watch now how it walks along. Watch now how it walks along. See, if there is a comma, you put a comma. If there is a full stop, you put a full stop. With a nice rhyming song. With a nice rhyming song. Okay, children. I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. Okay. Now, so that boy has got a robot which is big and strong, and is watching now how it walks along. Robot will walks, you know how it walks. So he is watching how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. So while the robot is walking, it's walking with a rhyming song. Okay. Then I have a robot, tall and smart. First one is big and strong. Next one is I have a robot, smart and tall. Adhe rhyming la paranga. I have a robot, smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. I have a robot, smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Okay, put the comma. Watch now how it welcomes all. Watch now how it welcomes all. Watch now how it welcomes all. With a nice greeting call. With a nice greeting call. Okay, I have a robot, smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Watch now how it welcomes all with a nice greeting call. Okay, so is a robot is a very smart and tall. What is that? Smart and tall. It's very smart to look and it's very tall also. Okay, so smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Watch now how it welcomes. Also the robot is welcome each and everybody who is coming inside the house. It welcomes them, come in, welcomes all with a nice greeting call. Greeting call na avangala anba varaverkudilla. All are welcome, come inside, ulla vaanga அப்படின்ற மாதிரி both in any languages with a nice greeting call, welcoming all. So I have a robot, smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Watch now how it welcomes all with a nice greeting call. Okay, now it has wheels go front and back, front and back, front and back. Watch now how it keeps the sack in every little rack. Okay, it has wheels. So the robot has got wheels. Go front and back. Go front and back. Front and back. Front and back. So it might move from front side and back side. Watch now how it keeps the sack. Watch now how it keeps the sack. Keeps the sack. You put the comma. So each and everything there is a comma first, comma and full stop. Here also it's a comma, it's a full stop, comma, comma, full stop. So it has a wheels go front and back, front and back, front and back. And watch now how it keeps the sack in every little sack. In every little sack. Sorry, rack. Okay. So it has the wheels go front and back, front and back, front and back. Watch now how it keeps the sack. So watch it how it keeps the sack means over a sack means motor. Watch now how it keeps the sack in every little rack. Over rack it's arranging it nicely. So I have, what is the first three lines? I have a robot big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it's walk along with a nice rhyming song. Okay. Say all of you, I have a robot big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it's walk along with a nice rhyming song. Then I have a robot smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Watch now how it welcomes all with a nice greeting call. Then it has wheels go front and back, front and back, front and back. Watch now how it keeps the sack in every little rack. Okay. So memorize these three lines easy only. Watch now. First one is big and strong. Na? Watch now how it walks along. Big and strong and it will be walking very nicely. With a nice rhyming song. Paate paadikte nice rhyming song pante. That robot is walking. And I have a robot smart and tall. It looks very beautiful and tall also. So smart and tall. Watch now how it welcomes, how it greetings, how it greet the people, how it welcomes them with a nice greeting call, sweet voice. It's inviting everybody with a nice call. It has the wheels go front and back, front and back, front and back. So robot has got the wheels, so it moves from front and back. Watch now how it keeps the sack. It takes the sack and keep it in every little rack. Okay. The last paragraph. Never it takes food and rest. So this robot doesn't need any food. Never it takes food and rest. Sapado illa resto. It doesn't need it. No. Food and rest. Food and rest. Food and rest. So never it takes food and rest, food and rest, food and rest. Watch now how its work is best. Watch now how it works its best. This is also you put the comma. And then with all same zest, with all same zest. So it takes food and rest, food and rest, food and rest. Watch now how it work its best. So it won't take any food and it won't take any rest also. It goes on working. Watch now how it work its best. It will give its best. So work பண்றது வேலை பண்றது ரொம்ப give its best. With all same zest. Zest means great interest. And the interest oda this robot is working fast. So it works its best. It's giving its best to work. It never takes food or rest. So what's in the poem is its robot is very big and strong and it's walking with a nice rhyming song, and then it's a it looks very smart and tall and it welcomes and greeting very nice call. எல்லாருமே welcome பண்ணி greeting பண்ணு with a nice call, greeting calls, and it has a wheels go front and back, and watch how it keeps the sack on the rack. He's using his wheels and doing the work and keep the sack on the rack, very little rack, small shelf. A rack means shelf. Never it takes food and rest. The computer doesn't take any food or rest, and it gives its work its best, or whatever you can do it do its best with all same zest, that is with interest. Okay, turn the page, next one, that is page number 86. We are given the meanings. Strong means powerful. What do you mean strong? Yes, it is strong, powerful. Strong means is very powerful. Watch, look at. Watch means look at. Look at போடலாம் இல்லைனா or observe. Observe attentively, உன்னிப்பா கவனிக்கிறது, attentively. Observe attentively. Watch, look at, you can write, or you can write observe attentively. Next one is smart, that is fashionable. You are looking so smart. If somebody says means that is you look, your dress or everything is fashionable. Okay. Then rack, shelf or stand, we can say rack, shelf or stand. Okay, so shelf or stand. The next one is zest. Zest means great interest. Okay children, now shall we say the meanings? Okay, strong, that is powerful. Strong, powerful. Watch, look at. Watch, look at or observe attentively. Watch, look at or observe attentively. Then smart, fashionable. Rack, shelf or stand. Rack, shelf or stand. Zest, great interest. What is that zest? Great interest. So learn this meaning. Those are not having, just make a note down, write and see. Spelling also, everything I have already given, the dictation notes, everything. So read this and then learn the spelling, children. Now match the rhyming words. Next one is match the rhyming words. What are the rhyming words are here? You know, while you are reading the poem, that we are seeing the rhyming words. What are the rhyming words are coming here? They are given tall, match the rhyming words. Match the rhyming words. Match tall, then best, strong, all, rack, along, rest and sack. So tall, you can match all. Okay. Strong, along. Rack, sack. Rest, best. Okay. Tall, all. Same pronunciation ending வரும்போது pronouncing the rhyming words. Same rhyming words must come. Strong, along. Strong, along. Okay. Rack, sack. Rack, sack. Rest, best. Rest, best. Okay. Now fill in the blanks is next they are given. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. In this, I have a robot big and strong. I have a robot big and strong. In the first line itself you are having this. So big and strong. So in the dash you can underline strong. I have a robot smart and tall. I have a robot smart and tall. So you underline the smart. Smart and tall. It keeps the sack in every little rack. It keeps the sack. Keeps the sack in every little rack. Or is it a rack? It never takes food and rest. It never takes food and rest. So underline this. So this fill in the blanks. I have a robot big and strong. So learn the spelling. I have a robot smart and tall. It keeps the sack in every little rack. It never takes food and rest. Okay. So write the spelling and now we will move on to the answer the questions. Same page only. So answer the following questions. Yeah, let us see. Answer the questions. Okay, now the first one. What does it sing? What is the robot saying? It sings nicely a rhyming song. What does it sings? What does it means the robot. So robot sing. It sings. Answer. It sings a rhyming song. A nice rhyming song. So the robot is singing a nice rhyming song. This is the answer. What does it sing? The next one, how do the wheels go? How do the wheels go? How do the wheels go? The wheels go front and back. How do the wheels go? In the rhyming words itself you are having. So answer is the wheels go front and back. Okay, how do the wheels go? The wheels go front and back. Then does it work its best? That question is, does the robot work its best? Does it work its best? Yes, you have to say yes, its work is best. It works its best. How does it welcome all? How does? So how the robot welcomes all? How does it welcomes all? So எல்லாரும் எப்படி robot welcome பண்ணுது? It welcomes all with a nice greeting call. It welcomes all with a nice greeting call. Okay, so these are the 4 questions.